Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be speaking about affirmations, which is the fourth key of the five keys to building confidence. The five keys are love yourself, positive self talk, give yourself time to learn, affirmations in the morning, and journaling in the evening. In today's video, we will deep dive into key number 4, which is affirmations. So let's begin. What is an affirmation? An affirmation is a positive sentence in the present tense, which is used to help us overcoming self-sabotaging thoughts or to help us maintain a positive mindset. Affirmations are usually short, powerful sentences, which will help us to change our mindset and help and achieve our goals. Now comes the question, why should I use affirmations? How are they helpful to me? Well, here it is. Affirmations help you to develop a positive mindset, help you stay focused on your goals, is a stress reliever, and also, most importantly, helps you to overcome your own negative self-sabotaging thoughts. For example, let's say I have a presentation today in front of the client and I have been preparing all night for it. But you know what happens, right? However well you prepare, you have that small niggle of doubt which says you haven't done enough. What if they ask this question? Do you remember this? And before you know it, my mind is filled with negative thoughts and which keep pulling me down into a vortex of negativity and self-doubt. Now, in the morning, just imagine that I started the day by writing this affirmation. My presentation goes very well today. I answer all the client's questions calmly and with authority. I have the knowledge, I have done the preparation, and I am the best that I can be today. And I keep repeating this. And each time I repeat it, I believe it even more. And when I repeat it and when I say it, I see myself in my mind's eye. I visualize myself actually giving the presentation with elan, with smoothness, with fluently answering the client's questions. And guess what happens? All those doubts which raised up get subsided. And our mind comes back to a state of calm optimism. And when the time of the meeting actually arrives, you see that I'm able to just go with the flow and do a great job, just as I had visualized. That is the power of visualization and why every one of us should practice this. The other side benefits of using affirmations are they help us stay focused on our goals, it helps us reduce our stress, and it also helps us to be focused and clear on what we want as the outcome. So now let's move on to the types of affirmations. Basically, there are two types of affirmations. One is where you affirm your qualities and your values. I am confident. I'm a good speaker. I am knowledgeable. I excel at Excel. The second type of affirmation helps you in overcoming your fears and self-sabotaging and also helps to keep you in a positive mindset. So one is event-based, the other is quality-based. So now it's time to create your own affirmations. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the first type of affirmation, that is the one to do with your qualities. This is fairly simple. Whatever the quality that you want to reinforce in yourself, you just put it in a sentence in the present tense. I am confident. I am a good leader. I am a great parent. I am an understanding partner. Whatever it is that you want, the quality that you want to embody, you put that in the sentence and write it every day in the morning, each sentence at least 3 times. Repeat it as you say, visualize it as you write. The power of an affirmation is actually not only in the words, it is adding your emotion to it and adding that visualization to that emotion. That's why affirmations are so powerful. So let's move on to the second type of affirmation, event based. Let's say you have an interview today. So you can put it like this: I do extremely well in today's interview. I answer all the questions calmly, knowledgeably. I am the perfect fit for this job. I enjoy myself. Or you have a good a client call coming up and you know that the client is very demanding, so then you can say, I am able to answer all the client's questions to his satisfaction. I am able to maintain the conversation in a calm way and showcase my authority in the way I speak. Affirmations are very personal, so feel free to use any quality that you want or you want to develop in yourself, any kind of outcome that you visualize for the event which is coming up, or something which you are really worried about inside, or just use it to stay in a positive mind frame. There are a lot of generic affirmations available on the internet. You can use that to start to begin with, and then you could maybe personalize it for your own use and your own specific situation. Now, let's see how we can use affirmations effectively. When you're putting together your affirmation, the first thing is to remember is to be specific. Instead of saying, I'm happy, you could try saying, I radiate happiness from every part of my being. So that makes it so much more specific and maybe increases the flow of your happiness. The second thing is to state everything in the present tense. Don't say, I will be confident. You are confident. Say, I am confident. I am knowledgeable. I am patient. I am a great parent. Whatever it is that you want, make it in the present tense. The third thing is add emotion to it. So when you say, I'm a great parent, visualize yourself. And that brings me to my fourth point, visualization and emotion. Adding these two elements makes your affirmation extremely powerful. When you can see it in your mind and you can feel it in your heart and you say it out loud and you write it, all this together makes it come true. You are creating what you saw, what you feel, and what you write. That's what makes an affirmation so powerful. To summarize, affirmations are powerful statements in the present tense, which helps us to overcome our own self-sabotaging beliefs or negative thoughts and help shift us to a more positive mindset. They are usually short and concise and precise. So you can create your own affirmation specific to whatever situation you will be facing. There are two types of affirmations. One, in which we affirm the qualities that we have. Two, in which we want a desired outcome or we want to be in a desired state of mind. When you create your own affirmations, here are a few things to keep in mind. It should be in the present tense. It should be specific. You should add emotion to it and you should also visualize it. And the last and most important, you have to repeat it. You write it, you say it, you think it, you feel it. And that's how your affirmation becomes your reality. So that's it from me on this fourth key of building confidence, affirmations. And let me answer this question, which has come up many times. When should I do my affirmations? Well, I would recommend doing affirmations the first thing in the morning because this sets the tone for your day. It makes your mind tuned to become positive, and it also helps you to see all the good things that are happening around you. It gives you a mindset of happiness, growth, and gratitude. And what more do we want to start the day? So that's it from me, folks. See you in the next video soon.